Hi everybody, it's Dhearie, and today I'm going to be making some more slime. I know I did another video, but I can't seem to find my other slime. I don't know because I bring it with me when I was going to my grandma's house. But this time I'm actually going to make blue slime. So let's go ahead and get on to the video. So I have my bowl, and then I have my container to put my slime in. So I need my glue. Yes, I am in my garage again. It's so heavy. Okay, there we go. I'm going to close it back up so that if it falls, it won't spill. Now I have to put water in it to make it not sticky. And then, oh wait, first I actually have to mix it. It's so hard. Okay, gonna mix it first. And then we're gonna put this in. I suggest you guys do it 3 or 2 times, but I'm gonna do it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now I have to mix it. Mix it good. This is gonna be like my sky blue slime because it's like a sky. Yeah, this is gonna be my sky blue slime because this is a sky blue color. See, look at that. All right, now I'm gonna add in some borax and water. So water, and then borax. There you go. Okay, a little bit more water, and then borax. A little bit too much, but it's okay. There you go, it's coming up together. Okay, and then I'm gonna have to massage it with my hands once I have mixed it all together. Okay. Now I'm gonna have to mix it, or not mix it, but massage it with my hands. So that I can, I'm gonna massage it with my hands so that I can see how good the slime is. And it's good slime too, so it's okay. Slime is alright. I'm gonna make some more, actually. So this is how the slime looks. Yes, it looks a little bit dark to you guys, but it's actually really light. Yeah, from back here it's dark. And for back here it's light. I'm trying to get the slime that's on the sides and on the bottom. Oh, cool. Look at it. Now it's real slime. Okay. So let me put everything back. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and put on my container sky blue slime. There. sky blue slime. It's actually fun to play with also. See, the container. It fits perfect in the container, so that's good. Just get the rest of the slime. I'm gonna make some slime, but without doing a video. I'm gonna make some more slime, but without doing a video. I'm actually gonna make a lot and a lot of it. But I have to find containers for it. So, yeah. Thanks for watching today's video. Hope you guys subscribe down below. First subscribe, like, and comment. Bye!